Hey friends, if you facing the issue your laptop and PC screen goes to sleep after login. So how to fix it? Simple steps. First of all, drag your mouse to search box and type here control panel. Just click to open it. And if your case showing large icon, just select view by option and change your icon size to small icon. And now click on power option and select plan balance recommended. After selecting, just click on change plan setting option, and here are showing two options. First option, turn off the display. Second option is put the computer to sleep. So now you can change your accordingly time duration. So I recommend you, just if you facing your goes to sleep after login, just select all never options. After selecting never option, just click on save changes. Now again click change plan settings option, and here you can see the change advanced power setting option. Just click on it and scroll down little bit. Here you can see the sleep options. Just expand these options, and now you can expand the sleep after options. If your case showing like this 10 minutes and 20 minutes, in your case showing 5 minutes or 2 minutes, so just change this value to 0 and plug it in option. Just change this value to 0 and scroll down little bit. Here you can see the display option. Expand this option and expand this turn off display after. And if your case showing like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, in your case showing 2 minutes or anything, so just change this time duration to 0. After changing time duration, just click on apply and then OK, and close this all windows. If you getting this same issue, follow the second method. Just drag your mouse to search box and type here screensaver. Just open it. If your case showing this none option already selected, so no any problems your like screensaver or anything, so just select the none options. Here you can see, and then select the apply option and then OK, and close this window and check your problem is solved or not. If not solved, follow the third method. Drag your mouse to taskbar, right click on it. Here you can see the task manager option. Just click on it, and here you can see the startup option. Just select the startup option, and now disable apps and software you never use. So you want to disable any software and apps from here. So here you can see the disable option. Right click on it and click on disable option. So disable all the apps and software from here and check back again your problem is solved or not. If not solved, follow the fourth method. Click on window icon and click on the setting option and select the update and security option, and here you can see the Windows security. Just open Windows security option. Now click on virus and threat protection. Here you can see the scan option. Click on scan option and select the Windows Defender offline scan and scan your Windows. After finishing scan, it will automatically reboot your system, so be patient and wait. After scanning your if any facing any problems or any screen goes to sleep after login, so it will automatically fix your issue. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like this video and do subscribe my YouTube channel. So yeah guys.